Imagine you're saving up for that dream vacation or a new car. You've been diligently setting aside money each month, hoping it'll grow over time. But have you ever wondered if your savings would grow even faster if you were earning interest? Today, we're diving into a question that many people have. Does Moka Bank pay interest on your savings? Let's find out. Before we get to the heart of the matter, let's understand a bit about Moka Bank. Moka Bank offers a range of financial products and services to its customers. Interest, the basics. Interest is essentially a reward you receive for lending your money to a financial institution like a bank. It's typically expressed as a percentage of your principal amount. So, the more money you deposit, the more interest you can potentially earn. There are two main types of interest, simple and compound. Simple interest is calculated based on the initial principal amount. Compound interest, on the other hand, is calculated on both the principal and any accumulated interest. This means your money grows faster over time. Moka Bank's interest rates. Now, let's get to the main question. Does Moka Bank pay interest on your savings? The answer is, drumroll please, it depends. The interest rates offered by Moka Bank can vary depending on several factors, including account type. Different types of accounts, such as savings accounts, current accounts, or fixed deposits, may have different interest rates. Account balance. Some banks may offer higher interest rates for larger account balances. Interest calculation method. As we discussed earlier, the type of interest calculation, simple or compound, can affect the amount of interest you earn. Factors affecting interest rates. In addition to the factors mentioned above, interest rates can also be influenced by broader economic conditions. For example, when the central bank raises interest rates, banks may also increase their interest rates to customers. How to find Moka Bank's interest rates? If you're curious about the specific interest rates offered by Moka Bank, here are a few ways to find out. Visit a Moka Bank branch. You can visit a nearby branch and speak with a bank representative. They can provide you with detailed information about the interest rates available for different accounts. Check Moka Bank's website. Many banks publish their interest rates on their websites. Look for a section labeled interest rates or rates and fees. Contact Moka Bank's customer service. You can call Moka Bank's customer service number or send them an email inquiry. Additional considerations. While interest is a great way to grow your savings, it's important to consider other factors as well. For example, some banks may charge fees or have minimum balance requirements that can offset the interest earned. It's also worth noting that inflation can erode the purchasing power of your savings over time. So, while interest can help your money grow, it's essential to keep inflation in mind. So, does Moka Bank pay interest? The answer is yes, but the specific interest rates can vary. To find out the exact rates and terms that apply to you, it's best to contact Moka Bank directly. Remember, understanding interest rates and how they work is crucial for making informed financial decisions. By carefully considering your options and choosing the right account, you can maximize your savings and achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.